Hey testers, welcome back to Testing Patashala, your one stop guide to mastering software testing. What exactly is software testing? Software testing is the process of evaluating a software application to find bugs, errors, or any unexpected behavior before it goes live. In simple terms, we break the software so users don't have to. There are two main types of testing: manual testing, where testers interact with the app like real users; automation testing, where code is written to test the software automatically using tools like Selenium, Playwright, or Cypress. We also test different things like functionality: does it work right? Performance: is it fast enough? Security: is it safe from hackers? Usability: is it user friendly? Without testing, software can crash, expose data, or just frustrate users. Testing saves time, money, and reputation. So, the next time you open an app and everything works perfectly, thank a tester. We are the quiet heroes behind the screens. Want to learn more about software testing, automation tools, or QA careers? Like the video and hit subscribe for more such content.